Hi everyone, this is Anna from Phenomena Paints, and I am back with the color sampling sticks. So we'll be sampling three more colors: Midnight Storm and Soft Sand. Today we will be sampling Crimson, Malva and Lavish Pink. So I have three jars open here with three different colors. So we'll be sampling. I'll show you how they look on these sticks. You see they are already have many things on them and they are quite messy right now. So we're going to try crimson on this stick, and here is the crimson paint. So I'll show you how. This will show you what kind of coverage Phenomena paints give. Here you see this is the first coat and you see the coverage here. You see the difference. So this is the first coat and you see it's 100%. I just do 2 coats minimum with the chalk style paint. This is a chalk style paint. It's not a chalk paint, it's a chalk style paint. It's a little bit different. And this will give you 100% coverage on first coat, especially with colors which are highly pigmented like crimson. So now I'm going to go with Lavish Pink. This is Lavish Pink. It's warm pink color. So I'm going to show you on this stick. It's treated with crimson on one side and this is bare wood. So we'll be covering here. See, it's all covered, almost all covered here. See this side, it's covered. There. See the coverage on this side, and this is light color. It's not a very highly pigmented color. And now I will show you this Malva. This is also Malva, but it's down, it's not completely covered. Notice, just keep an eye on this end, that how it covers. A little bit of paint on this small brush and no switch. You see, this is with one coat. Here it's one coat, here it's 2 coats. So just see the difference. This is first coat, and once you apply the second coat, you will get this coverage here. So I just showed you 3 different colors sampled. This is Malva, this is Lavish Pink, and this is Crimson. I have already painted. They are just 1 coats. This is Crimson, Lavish Pink, and Malva. 3 different shades. 2 are light and this is highly pigmented crimson. So you see the coverage here, these are 1 coats. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like with our new product which we are soon launching. It's top coat, it's not wax and it's not liquid top coat. It's more like a cream, so we're going to be calling it a top coat mousse. So this is in white, and I will just show you how we apply it with the fingers. You can even apply it with your hand and here. I have applied it on this side here from the middle. And we'll leave it to dry for at least an hour, and then we can buff it out. I'll show you how it looks after being buffed. This is on the crimson and I'll doing the same. It's a tiny bit of mousse, top coat mousse on my finger, and I'm using that, and it covers a whole lot of area. See, it covered a whole lot of area. So I can go pick up a little bit more, and then I apply, finish it with on this side. This is with the top coat mousse. And now lavish pink. This is dried for a few hours at least. I suggest 24 hours, but this is dried for a few hours. This much on my finger. A little bit just to keep my finger wet. There. See, you can tell the difference even on the camera that this is dried out and this is top coated and this is still wet. It'll take at least an hour to dry, but I suggest before you buff it, give it 24 hours or overnight. So this is with the top coat. This is with the top coat. And next step, I will show you how it looks once it's dried and buffed. I will show you how it looks with the different kind of waxes like gold and black, dark waxes and all that. So for now, here I will say goodbye, and we will pick it up in few hours once it's dry, and then we will go and we will decorate it as it looks finished. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.